Hello again, you guys. It's me, MrCasto. I'm here. As you can see, I have a fancy looking knot. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie this knot. It is called the Trinity. Pretty nice looking knot, if I do say so myself. Very sleek looking as well. I'm going to change the camera angle real quick so I can get you closer so you can actually see how I tie this. Alrighty, there you go. You can get a close up of it. Looks pretty nice. Got the little spiral design. Definitely one of my favorite knots, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and untie it for you guys so that way you can see the steps. It is a bit of a long process. It does involve the little end of the tie being tied, not the big end. So you're going to want to make sure that you get a pretty thin tie, very slim tie, thin fabric, so it doesn't bunch up too much. So got the big end on my right side, little end on my left side. You want to make sure that you get the big end adjusted properly to your waistline. Then you're going to go ahead and put it in the middle of your shirt, right at the button. And you're going to pinch it off, just like that. You're going to take the little end and you're going to go over the front, just like that. And then you're going to go around through the back and then up the middle, just like that. Then you're going to take the little end again, you're going to go over the right side, and then you're going to go around the back, just like that. And then you're going to go over the top, through the middle, and back on the same side, on the left side. So now you got that kind of little V, kind of like the start of like a full Windsor. Then you're going to go over the front, just like that. You're going to go around the back and up the middle. You're going to want to keep this part loose because this is the main part of the knot. So you're going to take the little end again and you're going to go through this front part, just like that. Again, keep it loose. You're going to go around the back. You're going to spin it, flip it around as you go behind the big end, just like that. And then you're going to go through that part that you just created right there, just like that. And then it's going to take some adjusting. There we go. But that's the basic look of it. So if you want, you can have it be a much tighter looking Trinity, like that. Or you can have it be a little looser. Both look good in my opinion. There you go. Just like that. Then you're going to want to tuck the little end behind the tie. Pop your collar down. And for my shirt, I have little buttons which keep the collar down, which help accentuate the knot itself. If you don't have the buttons, it's no big deal. It just, like I said, it accentuates the knot. So make sure you're not showing on the side underneath the collar. That nice and clean. And then you can just do some little fine-tuned adjustments. There we go. That is the Trinity. Like I said, it's a very clean looking knot. I really like it. I use this one for interviews. This one or the Eldridge. Mainly this one though. I don't know. I just really like the way this one looks. It looks different. It's got that spiral look. And yeah, I think it's a really cool knot. There we go. I hope this was pretty clear for you guys. If you do have any questions, leave them down below in the comments and I can get to them as soon as possible. Like I said, it just takes practice. Because it's a bit of a challenging knot at first. So practice, practice, practice. Do it a lot before you go out in public. Make sure you get that looking nice and clean, you know. So that is the Trinity, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you're notified whenever I upload. Let me know if there's other knots you want me to show you how to do. There's a few other I'm going to show you. I have the older videos I did a while back and the quality isn't as good. So if you want me to redo those with, you know, better quality camera, better lighting, maybe a little more in depth, just let me know down in the comments. But that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching, you guys. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys soon.